Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of WinCC Unified. In this video, I am going to show you how you use a gauge meter in your WinCC Unified. So first of all, you will see I have a gauge here, and I am going to paste it here like that. And I think I need to make it a small because it is too large. Now I am going to go into that property and I'm going to select that here, and in the label you will now first of all I'm going to into the scale number, and I'm going to change that to 10 and 5 to make it 10 again, so like that. So my gauge meter is now ready, so I'm going to compile that project. First of all, I also forget to give it a tag, so in the process value, so I'm going to define here a tag which is also my level tag here, and which is also ID 30. I'm going to find where is my level tag here. You will see that here is a level, so I'm going to compile that. First of all, I delete my old project, my project is going to compile and it takes time. I am waiting for my project to delete. Now my project is deleted, and I am going to simulate my gauge project here. Now my project is going to load. Now my project is being loaded, and I'm going to refresh it to see my project is running or not. My project is running. Now I'm going to open my WinCC Unified. You will see that it is showing that the level is 2 to 3.6. You will see that it is changing the level. So that's how gauge work in WinCC Unified. You will also see that here. I'm going to make it a 10. You will see that again going to 0. You will see that. So that's how gauge work in WinCC Unified. So if you have any query, you can comment me in the video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and click the bell icons, and in the descriptions I give my WhatsApp number, so if you have any query you can WhatsApp me, and there is also other tutorials links in my video descriptions. So thank you for watch my video. Again, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.